So Neeraj, how did you find this? I mean, how do you? Okay, hi guys, welcome back. It's just a night ride, and Bangalore से आया मेरा दोस्त Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Mr. Spider-Man, and we are going to explore this Hyderabad city, nightlife of Hyderabad city. Particularly, we will be going to the famous Neelafos cafe and then some other plants. Let's see how it goes. I think this is the first time I'm roaming in the night with camera and stuff. I mean, I used to go with my colleagues, but not much. Like go in the evening, come back by 9 or 10. Now it's 8:13. We're starting now. It will be a different one.
जी ये क्या कर रहे हो? अरे अरे हट ले होश में आओ भैया
ये ले पीछे रह गया क्या भाई? हाँ आस्ते जाओ रास्ता खाली अच्छी. Alright guys, we are at the Neelafur cafe and this is the first time I am coming to such kind of cafe. I'm not really kind of a cafe guy or this and that, but because Neeraj, my friend, he wanted to come here, so we are going there. Let's go boy. काय? वड्या जागा ना? ओ Yes boss, let's go. Casual dining. So you were not expecting this much crowd or what is it? Huh? This was a great one. Very nice architecture. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Freak. I'll give you a hint, okay? So the frame thingy might be changing from the portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait, something like that. This is so crazy. One masala.
chocolate but
Croissant pav. Ice cream not now and यहाँ पर रखी थी. Thank you so much. हाँ भाई. So Neeraj, how did you find this? I mean, how do you?
मज़ा आ गया इस कैफ़े में आके मज़ा आ गया. I was not expecting. Expectation was very low. It is really good.
Thanks buddy. So actually इसका idea था कि अपन जाएंगे. Like I've been to this place, more of a street food somewhere nearby. Okay, it's all IT park. जिसके बाजू में ना एक street food है. That place I used to come and eat and go, but never been to this place. Because I told in the beginning, I'm not cafe guy, something like that. I'm like more of a rugged street. But I do enjoy this also. It's good, yeah. If I rate breakfast number 1, coffee, great. Then pastry. So food was really good. We enjoyed. Now we are heading towards the high-tech city. We'll just roam around and if possible we will be going to Kebabzadeh. Before we leave, he has to buy something. So this time for real we are exiting, and now we will be just exploring what's outside, what you can see right now, and after that we might go to Kebabzadeh or for sure to Charminar. Bhai Charminar for sure.
आगे जीव चल से खाइबाटा
Kebabzadeh. Sure. Let's go to Kebabzadeh. Huh? 8.6. It's okay. Let's go. All right. This guy brought his drone. I don't understand why did he even bring it up. Or Sunsan place where we can fly our drone, but I don't think I will be finding. My right side I क्या? I will go on the left. I'm just telling. ये right पे आई क्या? भाई बिल कैसा लगा कोई लो? So guys, we ate croissant, then bun maska and coffee, that white some cranberry sort of thing, and yeah, the pastry. So it was around 1100. Worth it. If you go to a normal cafe and normal stall, you might get it all this for 200 or 300 bucks, but the architect, you will feel it, the ambience, you pay for it. That's something very really great. The view, you pay for the view. Now we are heading towards Kebabzadeh. Why does it sound like Haramzadeh? We'll find it out. But by the way, I've been to that place. Look at the road. Bhai, Bangalore road milyo na? A time re. It's highly doubtful. Highly doubtful, bhai. This is why I love Hyderabad. भाई चौड़े रास्ते हैं, मज़े ही मज़े. हाँ, traffic is very less after 9. But like today is Saturday, so that's why you are seeing people around here, or else it won't be there. And there you go. On the right side we have a church. Where is the church? There was a church. My God, where is the church? Yeah, here is a church. And on the kebab. Bhai,
special na.
I know what to order. Bye. Get used to these kind of lips.
Fifth floor या तो second floor?
No second. See? This is what I was talking about. See the bypass fifth.
भारी डेंजर
पावर कट हो गला, यू आर स्टक. साइकोलॉजिकली तू ब्रीथिंग करि पारियोनी भाई.
साइकोलॉजिकली हिट करियो.
हां, माइंड टाको पूरा काम करी रखियार अछि समय रे, किंतु यूजुअली काम तो हबोनी ओ. एतिक स्ट्रांग हवार अछि ओ. लेट्स गो बॉस. भाई यू हैव ऑप्शंस. बाहर है कि भीतर है? बाहर बसियो ना. Yeah, let's go. I don't understand.
तो गरम लोग बाहर ही बचे बाहर आओ
We'll sit here. Where?
एक मिनट रे बस
एक corner है? There is something else we had ordered.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Some kind of chicken, okay? भाई यार थोड़े बड़े breads है. One kind of bread, you can have it. You know, this is infused with black pepper. This is my third time, okay? And even he's also saying he needs spicy. Last time we had nihari, what do you call it? जो बकरी का गोट निहारी और समथिंग दिस है ना दैट वन. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम जो मेरे साथ आए थे मिलन के बर्थडे पे मेरे ड्रामा डिपार्टमेंट के फैकल्टीज उनके हिसाब से स्पाइसी था ही नहीं, मतलब जो तीखापन ज़ीरो. पर व्हाट आई थिंक इट्स माई ओपिनियन, ओके, टर्किश फूड माइट बी वेरी ब्लैंड. Guys, I have to show you something. Okay? This is not in the menu. If you are coming and looking, where is the menu? Say this. For this guy, we asked, and they are very kind to give this, chili flakes, green chili flakes, and the namak. Passion fruit mojito. This is what I ordered. I can see there are a lot of ice cubes, but having cold, I don't mind having this. It's okay. I think this is the best drinks they have it here. We're done with this place. Let's go to Charminar. It's 11:06 and धीरे धीरे भीड़ बढ़ रहा है. हाँ? Aprona was some dog. What is the hell, man? Discord, huh? Nice. I'm happy. Now we will head towards Charminar.